Hi, my name's Amy Burt and I'm auditioning for the All Star Academy, and you'll usually find me at the yard with a cup of tea no matter what the weather. So I'm a veterinary physiotherapy student and I'm in my second year. This is really exciting, and this is my current Instagram account. I find, obviously as a physio, there's so many studies on how the rider affects the horse and how that affects their physiological conditions, their muscle conditions. So this is something I'm really interested in as part of my own riding and how I can progress that in order to aid my horses better. So this is my little pony, Jenny. She's a cob cross thoroughbred, and she's very exciting. As she develops, she's actually turned out to have a really big movement for such a little pony, and she's actually quite talented. She's just very nervous, but she's really green when aboard, and that's something we're working on. Hopefully aiming to do unaffiliated novice and hopefully a few 70s. This is my other mare, Frankie. I came out of a riding school and thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy a just turned 4-year-old, 3-month backed mare imported from Ireland. So it's been an interesting journey, and I didn't really do much for the first 4 years because I didn't have the training or the facilities. But I'm very lucky to have moved to a new yard, and my boss is amazing at giving me lessons and stuff. This obviously was this is our first 90cm track, and as you can see, she was very strong. But that's something we're working on, and with the flat work, that's really improved. So I'm hoping to continue on that, maybe do some 100s one day, maybe do some 80, 90 Bs, hopefully by the end of the summer. So I'm very lucky to have schoolmaster lessons nearby, and obviously it's so good being off your horse and being able to concentrate on yourself for a horse that just knows what it's doing instead of being produced by me. But yeah, so this is Bill. He's amazing, and thankfully my instructor's been able to really work with me on sitting up for my core and my sitting trot. And so I do this really weird thing where I set my wrists, so that's another thing we've been working on. So it's really exciting, and hopefully I'll be able to aid my horses better this way. So there's always stuff to learn with horses, and I think that's really exciting. So hopefully with lots and lots more lessons, I'll kind of get there one day to aid my horses as best as possible. So thank you very much for listening. My name's Amy Burr, and if you should have any questions, please let me know, and thanks very much for listening.